Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little bit of a modern twist, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Happy holidays, dolls! I hope you all are preparing for your holiday feast, getting together with family. I hope you all are about to enjoy this long holiday weekend. I have a 4-day holiday weekend. I'm excited about that. And then next week for the new year, I have a 5-day weekend. I hope you dolls have been well. I hope everything is going great. And if you're going through any difficult times, I am here for you. I send you all my love. I have a new series that is going to be coming out next month. I already filmed the first video. I just need to edit it. I'm not going to say what it is, because I don't want to put it out into the universe until I bring it out. So I'm excited to bring you that. But for this video today, we are doing a shapewear haul, and thank you to Shapellx for sponsoring this video. I have some great items coming your way, so let's get started. Now, our first item, I'm sure you did not know I was wearing it, but I'm actually wearing shapewear right now. This jumpsuit is the shapewear. This is an all-in-one jumpsuit with built-in shapewear design. It's stylish and it's slimming. You can achieve tummy control and a lifted butt with their dual layered shaping fabric. There's bust support design and removable padding, which allows for going braless. Classic square neck design offers that vintage charm for us vintage girlies. There's this seamless built-in shapewear with a laser cut design for a smooth finish. You can go underwear free with antimicrobial cotton lined gusset, and it is high-waisted, so it gives you that elongated silhouette. And one of my favorite features, it has the cuff thumb holes that keep sleeves in place. The next item on the list is the Air Slim Unlined Wireless Full Back Support Bra. I've been wearing this one a lot for work. It's just very comfortable. I can sit in it all day without it tugging at me, poking at me like other bras. It has a no-wire double layer cup for that extra support and comfortable fit. 3 level of adjustable hook and eye closures to get that perfect fit. It does also have a crisscross back posture corrector band, which provides support to improve posture. And this high coverage underarm prevents spillage. The next item on the list is the Air Slim Underwire push-up bra. I have featured this bra before, but now they have it in this beautiful color just in time for the holiday season. Even though I'm not going to be wearing it out in public for people to see with no top on, I still love the fact that this is red. It just makes my heart happy. With this bra, you're going to get the perfect lift, shape. It has a unique design that's going to give you that confidence that you've been wanting. It has a one-piece underwire compression. This is going to fit the breasts better and give you that perfect support. The built-in steel ring gives you that perfect push-up support. There are 4 rows of adjustable hook and eye closures, so again, you can get that perfect fit. It has a comfortable and non-slip wide shoulder strap, and it's very versatile, so you can mix and match with a variety of clothing. You're not stuck to one particular type. The next item I believe should be a staple in every woman's closet. It is the Skin Flow Full Coverage bodysuit. The reason I say that is because this top portion is the body shaping, and this bottom portion is they are actually tights, and they are super resistant. Look at my nails just poking right through, and they're not ripping, breaking. So this is perfect if you have some boots that you want to wear with like a skirt and leggings. You don't have to worry about the leggings snagging on anything or your nails poking through and ripping them. This bodysuit is a 4-in-1 design. It's your solution for bras, panties, tights, and butt lifting. And the 4-way stretch fabric offers lightweight, comfortable bust support. It's wire-free, but still supportive. Flattens the stomach, lifts the glutes, and smooths the thighs. You can adjust the straps for a personalized fit. And our favorite, the overlapping gusset, which makes for easy access to use the restroom. And last, these are the Air Slim high-waisted butt-lifting leggings. Now these are perfect for running errands. Still want to look stylish while you're running your errands. These leggings are perfect. They are such thick, high quality. It has a thick waistband that is just going to make you look perfect. It has a 10.5 centimeter wide waistband with all-around compression for a snug fit. And the high waist design is going to smooth and shape the waist and the abdomen. There's also a zipper in the front and snap closures, so it's easy for you to get in and out of and easy to use the restroom. There is built-in boning, so this is going to provide extra support and stabilization. There is also a boned butt lift band for that fuller look. And the high cut leg design is going to help elongate those legs. But that is it for today's video, dolls. I really hope you enjoyed my selections. Let me know which item was your favorite. As for me, this jumpsuit, hands down my favorite. This is one I can wear everywhere and still look stylish, not to mention pockets. Every girl loves pockets. And be sure to check out Shapellx's other item selections at shapellx.com. Alright dolls, I hope you have a fabulous holiday and I will see you soon. Bye!